Hello guys, welcome to Selewa Tools and Hardwares. As you can see, this is a 9 inches circular machine, 60 teeth cutting blade inside, 2200 watts from Ingco product. Welcome to my YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. You can share the video to the best users or best professional users, workers, to make use of it. As you can see, this machine have a ways to use it. Circular machine, you can scan in the carton to watch the full video in Ingco page. This machine you are seeing here is very strong, 2200 watts. So make your order now. Selewa Tools and Hardwares is here for you. No time to delay. As far as you have the lot of money, come and patronize us. We are at Idumota, Lagos Island, Nigeria. Don't delay yourself. Thank you for watching.